In a span of 45 years, Mr. Chiranjeevi has performed an estimated 24,000 dance moves in his 537 songs in 156 films, which is a unique record by itself.
Records on our peru undam kaadu. Na peru mide records untayi.
Mr. Chiranjeevi continues to enthrall the audiences with his graceful dances even at the age of 69, and with his riveting acting performances. He has been the reigning megastar of Telugu films for the last 46 years.
తెలుగు చలనచిత్ర రంగానికి రెండు కళ్ళు అటు ఎన్టీఆర్ ఇవాళ ఏఎన్ఆర్ మధ్య మూడవ నేత్రం చిరంజీవి.
Chiranjeevi garu, you are a true megastar.
He is a veritable and unique combination of Rajinikanth